Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite low vision friend Kay, back with another video. Now if you are a new subscriber, let me know in the comment section below, and also if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna need you to like, share, and subscribe. It really would help me with the algorithm and get my channel to more people. And if you want to see the specs and the details of this ponytail, keep on watching. The Bobbi Boss Human Hair Blend Tress Up Ponytail in the style Loose Wave 18. To me, this does not look like it's 18 inches, but that's what they claim. Now it is, I have her in the color TNAT / 27613. Now she does have a comb in the front and a comb in the back with a drawstring. Now if you haven't seen my last video, I had a wrap ponytail and that struggle, honey, was real. So I honestly prefer drawstring type of ponytails in my opinion, but if you like the wrap, you do the wrap, honey. Now with this one, she does have a high heat resistance, but it did not say the temperature. Now I do know that most ponytails are like 300 to 400, so I would say do it up to 300 degrees if you want to straighten the ponytail or curl it however you would like. Now I'm running my fingers through it and I'm not getting no shedding so far. Now she does have a natural yucky texture to her. And like I said, it is a human hair blend. Okay, now being that you're not gonna want this drawstring to show, I wrap the drawstring up in the corners of the ponytail and pin it in. Now if you don't feel like it's secure enough, you can put more bobby pins in it, but I was going to show y'all my little trick I use. Now some people just go out like this, you know. You can or cannot tell that it's an added on ponytail, but for me, to keep it on the safe side, I always put like a ponytail holder to cover all the imperfections, to hide that it is a ponytail. So I kind of have like having scrunchies that's kind of fluffy enough to hide it. But this is how she's looking like. Now, I'm going to show you how she looks on in the back. This is how she lays on me in the back. Now, depending on how high or how low you have your base bun to lay, that's how she's going to lay on your head. Now, if you have it a little lower, obviously, it's going to look low on the head, but this is her. I'll leave a link in the description box of where to purchase this unit. Thanks for watching this video. Please go like, share, subscribe, and comment down below any ponytail or wig units you want me to review next. And also, go over to Instagram and follow me at Natural Beauty K. I'll link everything down below in the description box. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, loves.